Ganda ng araw. Sana kunin na akong aray mo.
Hi, Future. Hi, Manaw. Jonathan. Hi, Jonathan. Thank you so much, Sama. Even though you feel sorry.
Sana
Doc is
kunin na ako ni
busy.
Lord. Aray mo, pakak.
He's busy. He's always, available early in the morning, like 2 a.m. or 1 a.m. But I didn't do live at that time. Hi, Soy. He just messaged me, good morning, but he didn't reply again. He's so busy. Busy with work. No, baliw. Crazy. You're the one I missed, Sam.
4K pa kulang mo?
Ha?
4K pa?
Yeah, 4K pa. Dali, tulungan mo ako,
Ito yung
Kap.
gamot ko.
Bakit? May lagnat ka ba?
Wala. Wala akong lagnat. Kumikirot.
Yan. Pirahan na yan. Tanggalin na ang mga laman loob.
Bago tanggalin, uwi muna ako dyan.
Yeah, but yesterday, I mentioned you. You just passed by. Hi, hold upper. I shout out your name, but you didn't reply. You just passed by on my live.
Ano oras ka nagising?
5. Hi, engineer. Yeah, I know. That was I was thinking. You're busy with work.
Hindi ka pa na panakain?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa.
Pagkagising mo sa umaga, bigo agad ang katabi.
Thank you for following, engineer.
Paggising sa umaga, bigo agad. Wala nang hilamos.
Thank you, Sammy.
Ay, tangan sana all.
Thank you so much. Buti pa si Sam. Kap, ano na? Iso lang.
Sana all. Sandali lang. Papasin ako sa Gcash.
Ayun. Support mo ako, Kap, ha, sa OPK ko, sa birthday ko.
29.
29. Kaso yung oras, gabi na talaga. Binigay sa akin 10. Pero okay lang.
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Kayo. Gcash ka.
Okay lang.
Aten, ha. Malakas pa naman yung kalaban ko. Taas na ng level niya. Marami na yung spender.
Ay no, may spender ka na eh.
Busy naman yan sila always. Kunti lang naman yung spender ko. Pero yan sila, consistent. Pero 10 p.m. kasi, baka may work yan sila.
Pupunta yan. Pag gusto may paraan, pag ayaw may dahilan.
May dahilan nga, may work nga.
Kagaya ko.
Or tulog. Oo. Ikaw, yung work mo, umaga naman, di ba? Hi, Coman.
Panggabi.
Panggabi ka? Okay lang, wala ka namang ginagawa paggabi. Pwede ka naman mag-open ng phone. Hi, John.
Sana walang responde. Pag may responde, tapos tayo.
You're working right now, Sam?
Iskamas ako.
Mag-cash in ka na kasi.
Wait lang.
You're in bed?
Ayaw palit ang damit.
You rest early, Sam. Ano ako? Okay, Sam. Huwag na, ito na. Mamaya na ako magpalit liligo ako. It's midnight.
Nakakaakit.
You need to eat midnight snack, Sam, while watching me. High level.
Ibang lahi ba ito si Ibang lahi?
Yeah.
Ibang lahi.
Yep. Ba kasi English ako eh. Ba talaga?
Palit ka ng ano. Palit ka ng damit.
High level 75. Huwag na, ito na. Ano, ayoko dami kong labahin eh. Last week, ang dami kong labahin pa. Paulit-ulit, papalit-palit ng damit. Bahala sila.
Lagyan mo na lang ng ano yan.
Yeah, you must sleep early now.
Lagyan mo na lang ng ano. Unan.
King David. Good morning, King David.
Lagyan mo na lang unan.
Di yan, okay lang yan. Wala namang
Yung
nakikita.
nakaganto. Nakaganto.
Lag, grabe naman yan. Ulo lang.
Siyempre, oh, ayaw namin na nababastos ka.
He's saying it can be better to change clothes. Yeah. It's my sleeping clothes. I just woke up. Wait, later I will change.
Wait nga. Magano lang sa
Tanong
Gcash.
daw, bro.
Ano?
Ano kasi yan si Kap eh, conservative. King David, pahingi ako piso. Baka hulihin tayo ni Kap.
Bakit?
Ka-on duty pa. Tatawa ko sa inyo. Sino yung request na?
Wait lang, babalik ako.
Sige, sige.
Ano lang sa Gcash.
Sige, sige. Sige ha. Kawawa ako dito eh.
Ayun na.
Kaya nga eh. Baka hulihin nga, katakot pa naman siya. Baka barilin tayo dito sa Hindi, ganun talaga sila. Mga pulis ba? Hindi naman niya ako mahuhuli dito. King David, piso. Friend ko lang yun. Nagmamasid-masid lang yun. You busy, your business. Tell me how much got me wrong. So I cut you off. I don't need your love. Yeah, right? You're right. You're right, King David. You got it right. You're right. Tumpak ka, tumpak. Yeah. I have my own rules. Hi, DJ. And also, guys, I don't have any option. I don't have to change clothes because I will wash lots of clothes if I always keep changing every live. What if I do live 3 times a day? Why every live I need to change clothes? Put them on stick. I know. Hi, Mr. G. G ka ba? Yeah, that's why. Why do I need to change clothes? That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Maybe on my first day, few days from in here, someone commented like, oh, you keep repeating your clothes. Then, I'm just in the house. Why would I need to keep changing? And then someone said, like, oh, you still didn't take a bath. You just do live right away. You didn't take a bath. No one's gonna smell me. No one's gonna smell me. Yummy! Paburaot ako. Amasi. Shakira. Hi, level 60. Hi, Blades. Thank you for tapping the screen, level 60. Hi, Poy. Morning, Poy. Oh, wants to go up.